With the release of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, sooner or later you will want to own one. As one of the most expensive phones on the market, protecting this investment is crucial. Whether you're looking for slim, stylish cases or rugged ones with added functionality, choosing the right case will ensure your iPhone remains in pristine condition. We've highlighted the top options: protective cases that blend protection with innovation, designed to enhance your experience with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 10. Torres Magnetic Slim Fit for iPhone 16 Pro Max Case. The Torres Magnetic Slim Fit case is specifically designed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max and offers exceptional magnetic strength. Featuring 38 pieces of N52 super strong magnets, this case ensures a firm hold, even during sudden movements, making it ideal for users on the go. The Pro-Magnetic Halbach Array technology enhances wireless charging speeds when used with Qi or Qi 2 certified 20-watt chargers. Despite its powerful features, the SlimFit case remains sleek and lightweight at just 0.03 inches thick, preserving the slim profile of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. With raised lips for screen and camera protection, along with the X-Shock 4.0 corner design, your device is safeguarded from daily wear and tear. The case also features an exclusive nano coating for a soft, velvety touch that resists fingerprints, scratches, and smudges. This combination of strength and elegance makes it a top choice for minimalists seeking robust protection. Number 9. Casify Magic Stand Case for iPhone 16 Pro Max. The Casify Magic Stand case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max combines magnetic technology and a foldable kickstand in a sleek, functional design. Featuring aerospace aluminum alloy, the Magic Stand allows effortless viewing in portrait or landscape mode, adjustable between 40 degrees and 120 degrees. This case provides 2 times stronger magnetism than standard MagSafe cases, thanks to Casify's MagPrime technology, ensuring efficient wireless charging with minimal power loss. Additionally, the case offers military-grade drop protection, with its shockproof polycarbonate back and air pad providing durability. Raised bezels around the screen and camera keep your phone safe from scratches and damage. The semi-transparent matte finish delivers a silky touch, and the non-slip grip ensures traction. Long-term anti-fingerprint technology makes cleaning easy. Number 8. KBox Magnetic Privacy Case. For those who prioritize privacy, the KBox Magnetic Privacy Case is an excellent choice for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This innovative case features a built-in privacy screen guard that prevents others from peeking at your screen, offering peace of mind while you use your phone in public spaces. The case is also MagSafe compatible, allowing for seamless use with MagSafe accessories. The transparent back of the case lets you show off the iPhone 16 Pro Max's titanium colors, while precise cutouts ensure a perfect fit and easy access to all ports and buttons. The KBox case doesn't just offer privacy, it also provides robust protection. It's shockproof and includes an integrated camera module protector, offering comprehensive 360-degree protection for your iPhone. With this case, you can maintain your privacy and protect your device without sacrificing style or functionality. Number 7. SHEIM Magnetic Wave Bumper Case. The SHEIM Magnetic Wave Bumper Case stands out from the crowd with its unique wave-like design that adds both style and functionality to your iPhone 16 Pro Max. The curvy edges of the case not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also improve grip, making it easier to hold your phone securely. This case comes in 5 different color options, allowing you to choose one that best suits your personal style. The translucent back of the case subtly showcases the titanium finish of your iPhone, while the matte surface helps to resist fingerprints and smudges, keeping your device looking pristine. Additionally, the SHEIM Magnetic Wave Bumper Case is shockproof and has passed a 14-foot military-grade drop test. Number 6. Brand Grip Case. The Brand Grip Case is the epitome of style and functionality, offering a premium protective solution for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. What sets this case apart is the infinite set of design options available. ranging from the Area 51 topographical patterns to the highly detailed teardown design. This MagSafe-compatible case is not just about aesthetics, though. It's engineered for superior protection. The grip case features a highly textured frame with grip stripes, ensuring your iPhone stays firmly in hand, even in slippery conditions. Additionally, the case is military-grade drop-tested, providing reliable protection against accidental drops. Number 5. Casify Ultra Bounce Case for iPhone 16 Pro Max. The Ultra Bounce Case offers unparalleled protection for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, making it the world's most protective wearable case. Engineered with ultra-reinforced corners, this case meets and exceeds 10x military-grade standards, providing a record-breaking 32.8 feet of drop protection. Every angle and side of your phone is shielded for maximum safety, giving you peace of mind. This case seamlessly integrates wireless charging and is MagSafe compatible. It boasts 6 layers of rugged protection and features an innovative attachment system with 5 methods, making it incredibly versatile for users on the go. Crowned the gold winner of the 2023 New York Product Design Award and named Best of IFA by several media outlets, this case stands as a celebrated innovation in mobile protection. Number 4. The Caseology Affleck Mag Case brings a unique blend of style and protection to your iPhone 16 Pro Max. This case features a textured back design that not only looks visually appealing, but also significantly enhances grip, making it easier to hold onto your phone during daily use. Even in the unfortunate event of a drop, the Affleck Mag is built to protect your device with military-grade drop protection. This means it can handle unexpected tumbles without your iPhone sustaining major damage. The case also includes raised edges around the screen and a raised lip surrounding the camera island, offering extra protection against scratches on the display and camera lenses. Crafted from durable TPU material, the Affleck Mag is available in multiple colors. Number 3. ESR CyberTough Case. The ESR CyberTough case is designed for those who demand rugged protection for their iPhone 16 Pro Max without sacrificing style. This case is constructed with a 3-layer structure, a hard TP and PU outer shell to resist impacts and scratches, and a soft inner TPU shell to absorb shocks. The CyberTough case is certified with military-grade drop protection, meaning it can withstand drops and impacts, keeping your iPhone safe from accidental damage. Additionally, the case features an integrated stand around the camera lens, which allows you to prop your phone up in both portrait and landscape orientations, perfect for watching movies, video calls, or even reading. Number 2. Official Apple Silicone Case. If you're an environmentally conscious consumer, the official Apple Silicone case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a must-have. Apple is pushing towards a carbon-neutral future by 2030, and this case is a testament to that mission. Crafted from 55% recycled silicone material, this case is as eco-friendly as it is stylish. The silky smooth finish on the exterior not only feels luxurious, but also enhances grip, reducing the chances of accidental drops. Number 1. The Subcase is a top choice for anyone looking to showcase their iPhone 16 Pro Max's premium titanium finish while ensuring robust protection. This one features a built-in MagSafe ring kickstand that's perfect for hands-free activities like watching videos, video chatting, or even following a recipe while cooking. The kickstand's sturdy construction makes it a reliable companion whether you're on the go or relaxing at home. One standout feature of this case is the protective cover for the new capture button, allowing quick access without compromising functionality. The case itself is made from scratch-resistant polycarbonate, combined with raised TPU bumpers that shield your device from drops and bumps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.